Welcome back to part 3, I think it is, of how I'm building a cheap air ride. Yeah, cheap air ride. So we've managed to finish a second rear shock. Just need to put the bush in the bottom. We got the other one mounted to the car, the test vehicle, the Red Hot. Needed a couple of mil spacers. I might go with 4 mil just to give a bit of clearance. It just gets a bit tight around this area here where they've clamped the rubber on. So that's good. Did a couple of tests up and downs on one side just by putting into the compressed air line. What we want to do at the end of this video is actually rig it up to proper solenoids, just so we can actually sort of see it working more functionally. We want to get the passenger side in as well, but that just means removing the fuel tank on the Mini. So that's not tricky, but just a little bit more time consuming than just doing it on the driver's side. So anyway, let's just show you the height it is at the moment, because I think, you know, it's low as it can go without being tubbed. Anyway, let's just show you. Okay, obviously that's as low as it will go, sort of, because the wheel arch is on top of the wheel. But yeah, I think I'm not far off the limits of the travel of the shock anyway. So obviously you wouldn't be able to go any lower without tubbing your rear arch anyway, and at that point you might have to then create a new shock tower as well, because then you could then raise the shock tower even more to make the car go lower. So I don't know how much more, as I said, travel it's got. But you know, to be honest, that looks not too bad at the moment, just sitting at a car show, sit on your things, people going, "Ooh, how do you drive your car like that? Go away, cat." But so yeah, as I said, 3-4 mil space is just required on those type of wheels. It will be different if you've got more offset or whatever. You know, I can't really move the shock any closer to the inside of the wheel arch. It is where it is. So so as I said, what we need to do is we'll get the other side bolted in and try and link them both up so we can see the whole car go up and down at the back. Front ones I haven't done yet. There should be a simple case of just creating some coil over mounts. Go away, cat! Oh, my cat! Oh, my cat! Go away! All right, let's get the other side fitted and plumbed in. Try and show the daughter. It's sort of her car. Okay, passenger side fitted. A few tweaks to do. It's not quite the same. It's a slightly different space to this side, even though the shock absorber's right against the wheel arch, so I can't go in any further. So at the moment it's looking like 10 mil spacers at the moment on top of the spacer drums for this wheel setup. Looks like I do have some more movement because it's sitting nicely on the old tyre now, pushing the tyre down, so it looks like there is a bit more room for it to go down. But yeah, connected both sides up now, just to the compressor line again, the garage compressor. Get a bit of an idea. I've got a leaking pipe as well, so there's definitely plenty of height there. I am pretty pleased with it. How well it all still works, another question. Got to fix up a bit of PTFE tape on that leaking pipe. Yeah, got a bit of bounce, you know, it's my scientific test. Gosh! Air ride on the back of a Mini. do apologise for the noise of a lawnmower in the background. People don't know I'm filming YouTube. So anyway, got both sides plumbed in. I've just been playing about with solenoids, just sort of get a feel for, ow, hurt my finger there, how they work and what they're doing. Seems like, I'm pretty sure without power they shouldn't leak. But when I disconnect the air on one of these, on the feed, you can hear it slightly hissing, and I've swapped them around, so I think it, inlet outlet, thinking maybe one's specifically in and out, but it's not doing it. So I could definitely put a check valve, which these pumps come with. They come with a check valve, so that will fix the issue anyway, but it seems a bit strange that it should be leaking. Obviously just dodged the wire a little bit for now. That's the solenoid to let the air out, and the other one is feeding from the compressor still. I've just realised that my compressor doesn't actually give enough air. It needs to be pumped right up. On the lowest setting it's not enough. But anyway, I did try the pump earlier, and it's noisy. It did start to fill them, very slow, but keep it simple. Obviously, again, you can fit air tanks to these. Again, it's just pure cost by that point, once I've proven everything. It's good. I can stop it at different levels, different heights. Fill it back up again. So if you go round, hopefully the sun's. Let me move you around there. You see, there's my switch gone. Down, stop, down, stop, down, stop, down, stop. Back up. Stop, up a bit more, stop, up a bit more, stop. So yeah. Looking good. So yeah, I might have a read up on these solenoids. It might be just, again, cheap China solenoids, not got a clue how the quality of them. Like with anything in the world, I'm sure there's good quality stuff and bad quality stuff. So I'm just pushing it down. You can see at that level, quite bouncy. So I don't know. I was worried about it being too hard. I don't think I've got that issue. Whether it's too soft or not. Standard Mini is definitely not that soft. So it'd be interesting to see what sort of ride it gives. Handling wise, well, I've always known airbags aren't designed for high handling myself, as in like pushing hard, but then people would disagree on that. Hey, yeah, we done good. So I just need to take this wheel off now, because I'll show you. I fed the pipe through the rear wheel arch on the other side, so let's just whip that off before it's too dark and try and do it. Okay, the sun's getting quite low, so sorry about the glare. So this is the final setup. Going along there, I've drilled a hole, a little grommet for the pipe to go in through the back of the wheel arch, and that goes off to the solenoids. And yeah, so the only problem in the area is this: it's very close to the wheelbase, so pop some spacers on just for now, or I'm going to have to get some slightly bigger spacers just to clear that, give it a bit of clearance. It's not far off, but it touches. The other option I've got is, I'm not too sure how all things work, is replace this. This is obviously just Chinese cheapness. It's just bang, pressed round to clamp that. Well, I wonder if I can get like a marine type, army type, I don't know what it is, but something high, not a very big strong Jubilee clip. That will give me back another 5mm easy, no problems, from that side and this side. And yeah, it's not stupid PSI we're dealing with here. We're only dealing with 100, 150 PSI. We're not in the thousands. So I'm wondering, yeah, get a real heavy duty marine type Jubilee clip. That must be out there. But stainless steel type thing, so it's a very thin strap all the way around. But obviously it's got a ratchet to it, sort of thing, nut and bolt. And so we can do that up tight. I think that could be an option. So we'll have a look at those and may replace them. Yeah. Unless there's a groove inside. But again, I think that's just pressed. But anyway, there it is. You've seen some videos. It works. Next set of videos, we need to move on to the front ones now, which should be just a case of making up some standard coilover mounts, really. And then we're all round, and then we can start thinking about the sort of plumbing a bit more all the way to the front to the back and into the dash. So anyway, enjoy guys.